Hello guys, welcome to my channel Code with Pooja Gupta, and it's day 20 of our consistency with the SQL series. So let's continue with the SQL. Okay, so also it's day third of the LeetCode SQL 50 batch. So we are here and solving that, and also I am aiming that I can achieve the 50 days LeetCode SQL batch. So let's continue with the question. Okay, so it's day, so let's go to the dashboard. So here is the SQL 50 challenge. I am accepting and trying to do it. Okay, so it's day 3. So we have to work with the next question today. You can check that here's a check mark on the calendar, which is in the right hand side of the page on your right hand side. Okay, so here we get the check mark that you have to solve a particular question which you tell when you are accepting the challenge. Okay, 50 days challenge. Now continue with the question. Big country. Okay, now uh 569 question number, and the title is the big country. Okay, so what is the level of question? The schema is a table is a world. Okay, now what we have to find. Okay, so table like columns have a name, where care continent, where care area, integer, population integer, and DGP, big int. Okay, big int will be the GDP, so it will be a kind of a data type, big int. Now what we have to find, a country is big if it has an area at least 3 million. Okay, 3 million area, and it has a population at least 25 million. So if a country which having at least 3 3 million area or a 20 population, it will be a big country. Okay, so write the solution to find the name, population, and area of a big country. Okay, so what we have to do, we have to just select. I'll just zoom it for you. Select. Okay, select name and what, population, then area, from where, from world, because the world is the column, sorry, table name is world. It is a world, not worlds, it's world. Okay, now where, where what, where the area is at least matlab it have this one to this one at least. Okay, so 3 million, it means 30 lakh. Okay, so yeah, area is a 3 lakh, and and population will be at least 25 million. So 1 2 3 4 5 6, that's it. Now ready to run the code. Population area, yeah, test case is passed, accepted. Now ready to submit the code, and on submitting the code, wrong answer. First time it was occurring with me. I have to just minimize it because I'm not able to. Okay, we have to use population also with the equal to, because we have to find the thing, the population is also equal. So yeah, that's now is reading, because we have to find at least. Question is given, what question is given, that the bigger country having the at least 3 times 3 millions and at least. So when we use the at least, it means we have to also use the equal to operator with the particular value and particular column. Okay, now acceptance ratio is a quite good. The query is using 5 to 56 millisecond of time as a runtime, and the total between optimization of code that is 93.69%. Okay, so guys, that's it for the today's SQL series. If you find that you can write more optimized query, so please tell me. I will definitely go through it, and I will appreciate if you give something to Milan. Okay, and if you wanted to cover an extra or anything in a SQL, so please give me. I will create an extra and a separate video and cover the topic. Okay, and also if you think that you will find something from good from this video, so please like and share this video, and also subscribe my channel and help me to grow. Bye bye.